Want to level up your trading game with technical insights? Let's add indicators on Robinhood and make those charts work for you. First, open your Robinhood app and tap on any stock you want to analyze. Once you are in the stocks chart, look for the chart settings icon in the bottom right corner and tap it. Here you will see a list of technical indicators like RSI, moving averages, and many more. Tap on the ones you want to add, and just like that, your chart instantly updates with that data. Having trouble seeing the full chart? Try zooming in or dragging it around. That will help you get a clearer view. Do you use indicators while trading or do you just go with gut instinct? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.